this is my setup, and I built this stream room in our attic, and my wife was like, honey, you know you can't have the nicest room in the house. I said, babe, I'm building it. It's gonna be as nice as I want. Oh boy. Back in March of 2020, I took an entire month off of streaming, and I started working on a secret project, but I didn't tell anybody what it was. And what it was is I was building this stream room. I had started in like a bedroom and just set up a little deal there and was streaming from the corner there and had a cool little setup, but I knew that I wanted to improve that quality one day, and I don't know anything about building. I don't know the first thing. I had to build a floor above our ceiling that would support everything in here. Had to build out these walls. They look like brick, but they're actually just made of insulation foam that I painted and drew out the lines for brick and burned with a soldering iron. The tin that you see behind me all the time with like the cool RGB lighting and stuff on it, it looks really cool because it's actually very, very old. It's 100-year-old rusted tin off of an old barn from another friend at church. Who kind of heard about the project that I was doing, and he said, man, I got a barn full of tin. You can have it. So, yeah, thank you. And with this really cool little cap piece, I think that's what he called it. But super cool room. Everyone who's walked into this room is always so impressed, especially because they all know me. They know I can't build anything. The PC has a Ryzen 7 3700X 1660 Ti that was actually gifted to me by someone in the community, and that's kind of what kickstarted the entire project, so that was a huge blessing. It has 32 gigs RAM, it's 3600 megahertz. It's in a neo white metallic air case, I think. I just used the normal AMD Wraith cooler that came with the Ryzen 7. It's got all the RGB, you know, I know that makes it that much better. It's even got a little Yamcha and Puar Funko Pop inside with a hand crocheted Hollow Knight figure and a little LED Pastor Dustin logo. So, hey, you gotta have toys, right? My microphone is a Rode Pod mic attached to the InnoGear Boom mic arm, and it's all going through a Focusrite Scarlett. I just got the solo version. At this point, I wish I'd just sprung for the dual channel, but hey. For monitors, I've got the Acer SA230s. I've got two of those. They're the 23-inch monitors you see at the bottom, and then at the top, I've got a 40-inch TCL TV. My camera is actually a GoPro 5 that I bought used on eBay for about $120. And people ask me all the time what kind of camera it is because it's just got a little bit of a distinct look. The chair is actually just my chair from my church office that I brought home, and it's several years old now, but I'm telling you, that is the most comfortable chair ever. I know, it's supposed to have a gaming chair, but I'm telling you, office chair for the win. And also, the Bible that I read through on stream is my brand new ESV Topaz from Cambridge, and it has been amazing. I've got a review coming out on some of my Bibles here pretty soon, but this has been a huge blessing. One of the newest additions to my stream is my stream deck. I've got the standard size, and it has been so much fun to play with. I've enjoyed making a lot of little toys, a lot of interactive things for my stream to play with. Like, they can zoom in on my camera, they can make my brain explode and give me big brain moments. By the way, I do stream on Twitch every Friday through Monday. If you'd like to follow me there, twitch.tv/Pastor Dustin. Love to see you in the stream. I've also got an instant rewind feature where they can rewind 20 seconds of my gameplay and watch it back in real time, and then it fast forwards and catches up to where we're at. And it's pretty cool because they control it all with channel points. I've also got something really neat that has been chat's favorite thing to play with recently, and that is an interactive green screen in my background, where they can change what pops up on that screen with different posters. And the fun thing about it is that I don't tell them what kind of posters there are. They just have to guess them. And so far I've made, I think, 21, and they've guessed like 15 or 16 of them. If you'd like to see a video on how I do some of those things, let me know, and maybe I'll make one of those. And, guys, I think that's about it. If there's something that you see on the stream that I didn't mention in this video, ask me in the comments and I'll be sure to let you know what that was. And again, I'll remind you that I do stream on Twitch every Friday through Monday. Come follow me at twitch.tv/Pastor Dustin. I'd love to get to hang out with you in real time, get to know you a little bit better. Until then, know that God loves you, and so do I. Bye, guys.